Hi there, welcome back. Well, 1 year Mr. Free Rate. So now what? Before we start, I just want to thank you all for watching my videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click this link here, there, somewhere. Oh, there, below, please, or this one. Where is it? That doesn't matter. There's a button, click it, please. You can help me a lot with that. And of course, I'm joking. This is not about the likes or the subs or the number of views I got on a video. This is all about finding the motivation to finish my Ferrari project, because I started it in 2018, and well, we're now in 2021, and well, you know by now how slow this is going. But at least we're doing something, and we're moving forward. And that's thanks to you, and thanks of the videos, and thanks of everything that brought me. And I hope that I can inspire you to start your own project. What I do here is a low budget Ferrari ownership project. And I hope to prove to you that you don't need a lot of money to do this, but you need time, motivation, and how do you call this in English? Will. You have to keep moving forward. Proceed. Don't sit down and wait until it comes, because it will not come if you don't do anything. And last year, although we've been in lockdown for most of the time, so I was locked, not literally in my garage, that has been an amazing journey for me. Making these YouTube videos opened new doors, and I discovered that I really like playing with cameras and with all the things that come making these videos. And I'm really thankful for the help that I got last year from you guys. Well, let's have a look at what we have achieved last year. We got about 160 subs, give and take. Not much, you may think, but it's more than I expected. I expected to be around 100 right now. And if you know, the average YouTube channel that grows takes about 22 months to grow to 1,000 subscribers. And we are here in a niche. And the niche is cars, Ferrari specific, and restoration. So yeah, it takes time to grow a channel like this. And the key is being consistent. So I will keep posting videos every week. Every Saturday will be the big content, the important content, and every Wednesday, every time I got something extra to tell you, to show you, or I found some old footage I wanted to share with you, then I will post that one on Wednesdays. But I am more happy with the number of views we have on the videos, because especially the reviews, well, they're being watched. The 599 does over about 2,000 views, the 430, 1,000 views. And I'm very thankful, and I want to thank you for that, because you are the ones that are watching my videos. The only downside is it's quite hard to find enough cars to do a review, because who am I with my 160 subs to call and ask someone, can I borrow your car? I want to do a review. Who am I? Well, time will tell. But I'm very excited, because I know there are some reviews coming, because I got some good friends who are helping me. But also that takes time. It has to fit in the agenda. So, I'm learning with each video. That's a fact. And I enjoy making them. So I think consistency, learning, enjoying is the basics to grow this channel. So, what are the plans for the coming year? Well, first and most important, I want to finish the 308 project. I set the goal, um, still waiting on the painter, but when that's done, the car has to be finished. And then when the car is finished, we're gonna do some crazy, weird adventures with it. Uh, what it will be, I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I want that car back on the road, and I want to share it with you guys. Second thing I want to do is more reviews. We already got some planned for the near future, so hopefully I can do uh, yeah, in the summer some reviews of some friendly cars. Um, but I really enjoy making them, and I really think that I can, with my lack of journalism experience, how do you call it? Because I'm not a journalist, I'm just a normal guy sitting in a garage making stupid movies. Um, but I, I am a user. I drive these cars. I want to drive these cars. So I want to share that experience with you. So that will be very funny, very fun. I will be very happy to make these videos for you and for me, of course. Um, Third will be the visits to the dealers. We just started some new visits. Uh, they're the same thing. 160 subs. Am I interesting enough for the dealers to open the door for me and welcome me and do whatever? Um, Takes time, but I sure like to. And this is the tricky part for me because the dealers, events, um, name it, maybe private collections I would like to visit. That's hard because then I have to vlog in public, and then my voice leaves me, and then my nerves get on me, and I start to. Ah, okay. Learning process. We're working on it. Yeah, I'm not a Shmee. Sorry, Shmee. Last but not least, I want to do a second project or a following up project when the 308 is finished. Um, got some ideas. I cannot afford another Ferrari, so now that's too bad. But maybe I can start a little bit lower and work my way up to find a second Ferrari in the future. Who knows? Very excited about that part, and I already got a deal that we're working on. But I can't tell you anything yet because the deal is not done. Uh, More to come in that part. Park it here, keep it in mind, and I'll tell you about it later. Well, making these videos takes a lot of time. Some videos require research, some require a script, like this one. I overthought in front what I'm gonna want to share with you guys. And then you got the actual filming, like this scene. I've done this about 6 times, I think. Maybe it will be better in the future, but it takes time. And well, finally, when you got the script, the footage, and you have to make it all into one video. And well, I have a handicap. My laptop and my software that I use are lacking performance. So sometimes I have to render a video 3 times before we got the right one. My GoPro is 8 years old, and until last year I was filming this with a very old phone. That one is replaced right now, so you're having a better picture already. But well, slowly, and I really should invest, but don't forget, if I invest in stuff like this, then I cannot buy the things I need for the Ferrari. Choices. And well, for me, Ferrari will always be the Ferrari will always be number one. So that's where the money goes. Um, Meanwhile, business is doing quite okay. I had a lot of work, uh, and but while doing these videos, I realized that I wanted to do more things I really love. So I recently started a new company called MrCaveman.com. And Mr. Caveman will help design, build man caves, girl caves, lunch rooms, showrooms, whatever. It's all about the rooms and the experience, just like you see here. When you have you need a place where you can express yourself, and companies need a place. And I want to help people create these rooms. And maybe in the future we are growing, and we will add a web shop. Well, that's my ambition. And well, for now, if you want to learn more, then please visit mrcaveman.com and let me know what you think about the concept. And I will be posting some Mr. Caveman videos, but only on Wednesdays, because simply I'm currently working on a project that is almost finished. 3-car garage, Ferrari based. It's going to be like a Ferrari showroom, and that video will show you the purpose of Mr. Caveman. So again, thank you for watching this video and other videos. If you are new to the channel and this is the first time you are seeing my ugly face, then please have a look at the videos I already made last year, and subscribe if you can. I would be very thankful, and I would be very thankful if you can help me grow this channel. It would be amazing if we can reach the 1,000 subs in the 22 months YouTube says it takes. I don't believe it, but if we can, thumbs up. But more importantly, spread the word, share it with me. And if you already started a project on your own, or you are working on a project, let me know in the comments. I want to know all about it. And hopefully I see you again soon on the roads. Goodbye.